Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get the deluxe edition of Dragon Age, the Veilguard, for free. This guide works for PC, PS5, Xbox, and the EA Store. So, no matter your platform, you'll be able to grab this amazing deal. As you can see here on my screen, I'm entering a game code to unlock the Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition on Steam. Don't worry though, this method works for PlayStation, Xbox, and the EA Store as well. So, let's get into how you can get your own code for free. First things first, you'll need a smartphone. This works on both Apple and Android devices. Open up your preferred browser and go to fundzap.com. That's fundzap.com. FunZap is a trusted site that offers free game codes and coupons for various games, including Dragon Age, the Veilguard. They update their offers frequently, so you'll want to check back often. Once you're on the website, search for Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition. If it's not right at the top, just use the search bar to find it. Here, you'll see the Standard Edition and the Deluxe Edition of the game. We're going for the Deluxe Edition. It comes with exclusive content like rare cosmetics and early access. Definitely the version you want. Now, the game code is locked, but don't worry, it's easy to unlock. To do so, you'll need to complete 2 simple tasks. These are free and only take a few minutes. Download and install an app. Some apps will require you to reach a certain level in a game, and others simply need you to open them for a few seconds. It's all clearly laid out on the FunZap page, so just follow the instructions. While that app is installing, go ahead and move on to the next one. The second task might ask you to spend a little time using the app, or it might ask you to complete a simple action. It's all quick and straightforward. Once both apps are installed, follow the specific instructions for each one. These are easy to follow, and you'll be done in no time. After completing the requirements, head back to the FunZap page. The Unlock Code button should now be ready to click. Let's check it out. Here's the 15-digit code for the Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition. Simply copy this code. Now, head to your Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, or EA Store and paste this code into the redemption field. And just like that, you have the Deluxe Edition of Dragon Age, the Veilguard, completely free of charge. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making